dear students, open your maths notebook. Today we will do counting in numbers 81 to 100. Firstly, we will write 81. What comes after 81? 82. What comes after 82? 83. What comes after 83? 84. What comes after 84? 85. What comes after 85? 86. What comes after 86? 87. What comes after 87? 88. What comes after 88? 89. What comes after 89? 90. Now, we will write counting in numbers 91 to 100. 91. What comes after 91? 92. What comes after 92? 93. What comes after 93? 94. What comes after 94? 95. What comes after 95? 96. What comes after 96? 97. What comes after 97? 98. What comes after 98? 99. And what comes after 99? 100. Okay, students, do this work on your notebooks at your home. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.